About 1.5 million years ago, somewhere in East Africa, one of our ancestors did something no creature on Earth had ever done before. They controlled fire. That single act changed everything that came after it. It cooked our food, it grew our brains, it built our cities, it ran our factories, it sent us to the moon. Every invention you've ever heard of sits downstream of that one moment. Now, in our lifetime, in this decade, we are doing it again. Except this time, the thing we've lit isn't burning in front of us. It's running on cloud servers in Nevada and Virginia. It's already been spoken to by more than 1 billion people. It's been trained on more text than a human could read in 1,000 lifetimes. And it's AI. The man who built one of the leading AI systems on Earth has said in public that this is bigger than fire, bigger than electricity, bigger than the internet. But here's what almost nobody is telling you. Most of what you've heard about artificial intelligence, from the science fiction warnings, from the breathless headlines, from the people swearing it will save us and the people swearing it will end us, is built on a single misunderstanding about what this thing actually is, about how it actually works, and about where it is genuinely most likely to hurt you. I went looking for a clearer answer. Not from the movies, not from the marketing, from the people building these systems and the researchers raising the alarm. By the end of this video, you'll understand what AI actually is, what it isn't, how it really works, and where it's going next. The part that should worry you isn't the part being sold to you on the news. Because if the people building this are right, if this really is the next fire, then how you understand it in the next few minutes may matter more than almost anything else you learn this year. Strip away the marketing, and modern AI is something startlingly simple. A pattern recognition system trained on enormous amounts of data. Show a computer thousands of pictures of birds. Tell it which ones are birds. It doesn't learn what a bird is. It learns which pixel patterns correlate with the label bird. That's it. Every chatbot, every image generator, every voice assistant, every self-driving car, the same trick scaled up. 2 things changed to make today possible. First, raw computing power. Machines now run trillions of these calculations per second. Second, social media. Every photo you tagged, every comment you wrote, every video you captioned became training data. AI didn't get smarter on its own. We fed it the internet, and the internet fed it everything we know. But here's the catch most people miss. By the time these systems are released, even the engineers who built them often cannot explain why they make specific decisions. One AI trained to spot animals kept labeling dogs as wolves. Turned out it wasn't looking at the animals at all. It was looking at the snow in the background. This is called the black box problem. And it's everywhere. The AI screening your job application may be filtering out women because the historical hiring data did. The AI moderating your social media is amplifying outrage because outrage kept you scrolling. These systems don't have opinions. They have patterns. And the patterns came from us. And every AI in use today is what researchers call narrow AI. It does one specific task. ChatGPT can't drive a car. Your phone's face recognition can't write a song. True general intelligence, AI that can do everything a human mind can, doesn't exist yet. Most researchers think it's between 10 and 50 years away. Some think much sooner. Nobody actually knows. Soon, every organization, every building, possibly every object will have its own AI. A tutor in your pocket, a doctor in your pocket, a lawyer in your pocket. The real danger isn't the killer robot from the movies. It's the moment we give these systems the ability to write their own code, to improve themselves without us watching. That moment isn't here. But it isn't science fiction anymore either.